What's up, y'all? Hope you all are doing well and having a wonderful time. New Year started, and I guess you guys locked in already. And today we'll be doing a quick market outlook for Forex pairs as well as NQ. So yeah, let's not waste any more time and get into it. So dollar index weekly time frame still looks bullish, and I want to go on a monthly time frame for a minute. All right. So on the monthly time frame, this is what I think gonna happen. All right. So we swept this high on the monthly time frame on dollar index. All right, and we are more likely forming a failure swing out here, and I think we're gonna be pushing upwards because of that. Because of that, I think we're gonna be pushing upwards during this month. If not, we're probably gonna fail to see that high, create another failure swing and then go down. That's what I want to see. But on the higher time frame, I mean, I want to see bullishness on higher prices on the DXY. That's what I want to say, I guess. And I want to draw another thing here. So if you look at this imbalance right here, you will see that previous one, December, tapped into that. The low of the December candle falls short of tapping the low of that fair value gap. All right. So, and I think we might push higher because of that as well. And I don't think it's gonna go down. And I'm gonna give more confidence on that. All right. Just hanging there for a little bit. All right. So on the weekly time frame, what do you see? We see that price is respecting that monthly imbalance so nicely. To be honest, this is like beautiful price action right here. So as I told you already, I want to see a failure swing formation here, right here on the XY. So with that in mind, on the weekly time frame, we already closed the week of forming a swing high. I mean, fuck man, what am I saying, dude? Forming a swing low right here. So we already formed a swing low on the weekly time frame, and I guess the next week, sorry, the fuck man, the next week gonna be bullish. Uh, based on my theory as well. Whenever I see price trading at failure swing on a discount period, I expect price to uh, push higher. The same goes when we're bearish. If price in a premium period and forming a failure swing, we expect price to sell off. That's what I think gonna happen on the XR, right? And we also have this propulsion order block on the weekly time frame. Alright, so we have these consecutive down close candles order blocks right here. Then this down close candle tap into them, so that becomes propulsion order block. And if we take the midpoint of the candle, let me put it down. So there's the midpoint of that candle. Alright, and I want to do a thing. Alright, now it's better. I'll see a more clear picture. There's the 50% of that weekly candle's body. Now let's go on a daily time frame. And you could see prices low cube respecting that mean threshold of that propulsion order block, and we've seen a nice reaction off of that. And on the daily time frame, we also have this volume imbalance right here. This volume imbalance and price kind of finding resistant to go down. And we also swept a major sell side liquidity right here. All right. So here's the thing. We already pushed sell side liquidities with this move right here, but that was not enough. All right. Price went down again, trapped buyers right here, went down again, took out all those early buyers, and those who went short right now after this breakout, I mean those who trade retail concept, they went short right around here after this breakout. All right, if they're in the position right now, what price is gonna do? Price is gonna push up, take them out, and gonna continue going up. Or that's what I think is gonna happen. And you will see that this move down here into the volume imbalance, uh, failed to sweep this candle slow, or you could even take this swing low right here. So price failed to took out, I mean take that low. All right. So that is like another confidence for me. So on the daily time frame, weekly, monthly, I'm bullish on dollar index, and I'll be looking for higher prices on dollar. And now on the 4 hour time frame, what's gonna happen? So we tapped into this. Did you tap into that one? Or we didn't tap that CB right there yet. So what I think gonna happen, as soon as market opens tomorrow, price gonna tap into that, then again sell off, probably gonna sweep that low. Friday's low gonna be swept, then gonna tap here, and then gonna run higher on the 4 hour time frame. That's what I want to think. Now let's see the confidence on the hourly time frame. All right. All right. So we broke this swing high on the 1 hour time frame. Did you broke this high? Yeah, we did. So yeah. Now on the 1 hour time frame, another scenario could happen. As soon as we open up, price could go down, sweep that low one more time, but fails to sweep that one. Maybe, or let me just put on the diagram. All right. Another scenario is this, and then, or it could fail to even take that low. Maybe something like this. Let me just take one of this off. All right. So now for me, I think this right here, this diagram here is the best thing you can see on the dollar index. And if this happens, be sure that GBP USD and USD gonna sell up, and I'm just gonna say that. All right. So if USDX up, fuck man, what am I saying? If dollar index fails to sweep that Friday's low, we're probably gonna push higher and break this structure. Then you'll have your opportunities to go short on DRIP USD or USD, whatever you trade, or if it's a USD pair. I mean, USD CAD, USD JP, you can look for longs. And with that, I'm done analyzing the XY. Let's go on Euro. All right, monthly time frame Euro. What is going on the monthly time frame? All right, so monthly time frame, same thing. We took out this short-term swing high. Let me make it black. So we took out that short-term swing high on the monthly time frame, which is tapped into this swing. So all right, we tap into that monthly CB right here. Should I make orange? Let's do orange. So we took out this high, tapped into a monthly premium period. Yeah, premium period, and we failed to close above this candle. All right, or maybe you can even take that high, and then I think there's something that I forgot to choose. Okay, where is that? Yeah, no. All right, so my bad, chat. So you took out that high, tap into this company on the monthly time frame, and on the weekly, if you look closely, same thing as the XY, we already formed a failure swing on the weekly time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, that's more significant than having that on a daily time frame. All right, now that's gonna add more value to our bias. All right, and if we take this right here, All right. If this reaches midpoint, let me put the quadrant. So, all right, there are the quadrants of this week. So price tapped into the lower quadrant, formed a failure string, and now I can definitely like tell you that it is gonna fill in this gap. All right, but if I was, I'm gonna look for any setup. What am I gonna target? All right. Um, to be honest, I'll probably target this order block for this week. All right, now it could definitely go down and sweep all these trend line liquidities right here. Now you could see price kept all these trend line liquidities. So if I'm bearish, here's the thing. I'm always looking for bearish prices. All right, and if market's gonna do the same, what it's gonna do? It's gonna keep those engineered sell side liquidities intact. All right, now if you look here, all these lows are intact. So if we're bearish, what's price gonna do? Price gonna aggressively sell off, take them out, and then probably I will will analyze again and we'll look for other things. All right, but for now, understand this: we have all these liquidities resting, and we are bearish. On a monthly time frame, we're bearish. Weekly time frame, we're bearish. Formed a failure string. So there is a high chance that price could go down. Now on the daily time frame, same shit. Now, all right. So that was the weekly order block. All right. This right here is the weekly order block on Euro. And on the daily time frame, I can tell you that price is going to sell off aggressively below this low. So for now, you can target for you can expect price to draw to this low right here, and we have this inefficiency right here as well. So this could be a target. So we have three levels of targets: this low, this inefficiency, then that order block on the weekly time frame. All right. Then there's a breaker right here as well. So this could you can use all this for your drawn liquidities. All right. Now let's just jump into the hourly time frame. All right. Yep. Our same shit. I think price probably gonna create a failure swing. If not, then DXY gonna create when DXY creates that failure swing low, Euro or GBP, one of these two guys probably gonna create a higher high and then gonna sell off. That's what I think. But when it does, it's gonna sell off aggressively below this low. All right. Now I could be wrong. These are my analysis based on my theory. And yeah, you are asked for it, and I'm giving you that. Let's go on GBP USD. I don't know how long this video gonna be, bro. Fuck man. Whatever. If you want to know the bias, you should be watching the full video, man. Alright. Alright, so here's the thing. On GBP USD we have another story. Alright. GBP didn't sweep that high on the monthly time frame. So in my term, I think GBP should be more bearish on the monthly time frame, and we tap into this rejection block. This is your rejection block, alright? Or let me just put a line there, alright? On the monthly time frame, if we tap into a rejection block, and alright, so we tap into a rejection block right here. We have these sell side liquidities on the monthly time frame. I'm just gonna mark up the monthly lows, alright? These two lows, and then on the weekly time frame, what do you see? You could see prices respecting that rejection block. Prices respecting that rejection block, and we have this weekly order block as well. And there is a tap into mean threshold of that. I mean, I think it's off by 1 or 2 pips. In the mean threshold, dude, what is happening? All right, mean threshold level, and it's kind of like I don't know what GBP gonna do, to be honest. I think y'all should be trading USD. USD gonna be more cleaner than GBP. I think that's what's gonna happen. Alright, let me have another look at GBP. Oh yeah, man. The reason is because we didn't see any sort of swing high on the weekly time frame. I think that is the reason. But on USD, if you look at USD, we took out that swing high. You see that? But on GBUSD, we didn't sweep any sort of swing high because there is none though. There is no swing high on the weekly time frame. Let's go on the daily time frame. And daily time frame, we took out these lows. I think we failed to sweep that one. Yeah, we failed to sweep that one. We have these inefficiencies, and now you could say price gonna tap into that. But what I think it's gonna sell up from here, and you can probably target Friday. Is that Friday's low? No, that's Wednesday low. Wednesday's low. Then we have these lows. Then what else? What else? What else? What else? These lows. Again, same thing. So you could see all these lows are intact. All right. So there is like a huge pool of liquidity resting below these lows, and this literally could be a nice market maker sell model. All right. It can be though. It can be. And same thing, I'll still be looking for lower price, and we tap into this very short block as well, right? Then we have an inversion right here as well, daily inversion fair value gap. Now let's jump on to a 4-hour time frame. What do we see on the 4-hour time frame? Ah, it's fucked up. Excuse my language chat. So on the 4-hour time frame, I can't tell shit, man. I gotta go on the 1-hour time frame. All right, so 1-hour time frame. Yeah, yeah, man. I think probably GBP gonna see that high. Well, Euro USD make a lower high, and dollar index makes a higher low. So there's S&T. So that's what I want to see if we want to go lower like this. Because look closely here. All right. If I want to trap sellers here, what I want to do right here. Now, for retail traders, these are three touch trend lines or whatever bullshit that is. Right. Uh, now there are too much liquidities. All right, below these lows. So what price gonna do? Price gonna trap them in the sense of like pushing up and then gonna break that high. Now, where price gonna sweep that high or maybe give a fake breakout? Those who trade retail concept, they're gonna think that's a resistance. Uh, Price broke a significant swing higher, and now it's gonna go up, keep on pushing higher, and that's what we want to use, all right, for our analysis. So we want to see GBUSD take out those buyers, then sell off, and when it does that, smart money gonna uh, take those orders to put in sell orders, all right. That is the point, all right, because we didn't took out any sort of sell side liquidity within these three price leg, all right. So price smart money gonna push higher to get in a sell. Now they're not gonna get into a sell here, all right. They're probably gonna push price higher, take out some sort of highs, then gonna sell lower, all right. And there is my analysis for GBPSD. I'm done for GBPSD. Let's go on next. I mean NQ. But on NQ, I'm not gonna do this. That's boring. Oh damn. All right. So on NQ, what I want to see. So here's my thing. If price holds this, I mean, what the fuck? If this imbalance right here holds price, then we're going for this high. We're going for this high, and you can bet money on that. If we respect this imbalance, we're gonna go for this high. But if we don't, we're going straight to the hell. We're going down these lows. All right. No, I'm not gonna like hell. It's gonna go down here because that's bullshit. All right. Yeah, I'm not the market maker. All right. I'm someone just who just think in with the trends. All right. To be honest, chat, I don't even look for daily bias anymore. Or whatever. Whenever I open my charts, what I see, where price is right now and where it's gonna go. That's what I would do. And it can literally, bro, it can literally bring you like 20, 30 points or on NQ or for Forex pairs, you can easily get 20, 30, 50 pips weekly or maybe daily. Yeah, now you don't have to trade daily, alright? For the daily time frame, um, yeah, man. Yeah, so yeah, I think we're gonna continue pushing down on NQ on the daily, same thing. If we invert this, that's a good indication for price to go down. And on the 4 hour, let's see what do we have on the 4 hour. All right, so on the 4 hour, we have these lows. This low gonna definitely gonna be taken on NQ. I can tell you that. Now some of you are gonna think, oh, why the fuck you saying like it's gonna take out that low? Definitely, you will see. Even if price reverse from here, it should at least take out that low. If not, then I'm probably wrong. If not, then it's not even gonna take out that low. All right, it's not even gonna take out that low. It's just the market's gonna open, do something like this, then gonna keep on going higher for these highs, maybe the all-time high. That's what it's gonna do. But if I'm right, it's gonna go down. First, gonna take out some buy side, then gonna continue going lower. But whenever we saw this kind of huge acceleration on buys, like huge range on the more on the NQ, the next week it fill those in, right? So I think probably price could take out that high, then sell off. It could happen, but I don't want to see that. What I want to see some sort of accentuate and ES by down here, and then we might look for shorts on NQ. This is the hourly time frame here. Now I'll go on a 30-minute time frame for a minute. So yeah, on the 30-minute, we have this fair value gap. Now mark these things on your chart as well. 15-minute, nothing. Yeah, on the 15-minute, we also have that fair value gap. On the 5-minute, you can see we have internal buy side liquidity below that CB. That is the 30-minute CB right there. All right. So there is a high chance price can tap into that, create some sort of ascent with ES with that high we created on Friday. Bro, well, I think probably one of these two gonna take out the Friday side. I could be wrong, but even not in my Discord, you should be joining the Discord because I'll say what it's gonna do on my Discord if I see it. All right. Now, to be honest, bro, like predicting like price after this kind of huge range today, you cannot like predict the market. To be honest, all right, you can predict the market on the daily time frame or weekly time frame. All right, but on the lower time frame, it's not possible. None of us can like do that. All right, if anyone says like I can do that, it's full of bullshit, man. So whatever. Um, I think I want to see some sort of SMT on the with that Friday high, and then look for short. All right, that's what I want to see. Now, last but not the least, gold. I'll do one for gold for the gold traders. You're asking me a lot of questions daily. All right, so what do we have? What do we have on gold? Is that a swing low? No, that is not a swing low. On the daily time frame, we didn't, which we broke a swing, yeah, which, oh, fuck man, we didn't break any swing low. So on gold, I'll be looking for these relative equal highs on gold. Or you can even say that inefficiency on price. But yeah, I'll be looking for these highs. But there's nothing I can say on the daily time frame. Let's go on a 4 hour time frame. So yeah, on the 4 hour time frame, what I wanna see is that, look here, what did we do? We created a failure swing low. We created a failure swing low after breaking the structure. We took out this sell side liquidity right here. All right, and then we had this market structure break right here. What the fuck? And we already created that failure swing low, and I think it's pretty obvious that price is gonna run for this highs. Alright, it's gonna run for this highs, and there is a high chance that it's gonna tap into that high of that daily imbalance. All right, and there is a huge chance. All right, on the 1 hour, what do we have? Same shit, failure swing being created. Before that, we took out this minor sell side, and you could see that when price took out that minor sell side liquidity, it didn't close below that low, it closed above that. So there is a confirmation, more confirmation. And we also have this order block. Look at that. And I just said it on the fucking 4 hour time frame that we created a failure swing. Let's take out the whole bench, and you can see price is respecting that order block. And yeah, so I want to see gold see these highs. If not, at least it should tap into that CB right here. But based on my theory, it should be sweeping these highs out, and after that, if it's gonna go down, it's gonna go down, and if it's gonna keep on going higher, it's gonna keep on pushing up. All right, that's it for today. I think it's enough for you to figure out what bias you should be looking for, and if this video was helpful, make sure to hit the sub button and give a thumbs up. If you're not in my Discord server, go check the description. Go join it. There is a free version where I chat with my members, and I try to give them tell them what I'm looking at when whatever I'm trading. Like if I'm looking at something on NQ, I'll post that on my free Discord server. But from Monday, from tomorrow, I'll be trading the live Discord server. So if you haven't booked your spot, I highly suggest you to do that. And those who already did, I'll see you guys tomorrow on the live Discord server. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys until the next one. Be safe, take care of your health. Bye bye.